Hi, I am Alberto Zinno. I'm from Stress. Stress is a technology research center located in Campania region in the south of Italy. Stress is mainly focused on construction sector and in particular on sustainable construction.
Hello, I'm Fabrizio Tavaroli. I'm a sustainability expert. I work for RINA Consulting, which is a co-engineering company of RINA Group. For this project, RINA Consulting is a third party of Stress, so we are working together with Alberto on the project, specifically for package 3.
Stress is mainly focused on three activities on BIM-SPEED project. The first one is related to the life cycle assessment of material and system that can be involved in the renovation project and put it in the BIM-SPEED platform. The second one is related on the interoperability of the building information modeling and building energy modeling. And the third one is related to the demo site application.
The work package 3 is connected to the conversion between BIM and BEM, meaning starting from a BIM model of a building, we are going to elaborate the process, the guidelines and tools to complete a building energy modeling. What we did so far is starting from the analysis of the status of the art of the BIM-to-BEM world and the software and procedures. What we did specifically inside our consortium is to collect all the expertise we had between the different partners of the consortium and work together to try to identify which are the bottlenecks and possible solutions to improve a smoother process. We'll focus more on the actual tools, meaning that starting from the experience we collect in the task 3.1 related to bottlenecks and recommendation, we are going to develop with SIPE the tools and procedure to actually put in place the BIM-to-BEM process.